Hi, today we'll start a new chapter called Comparing Quantities. That is 8th chapter Mathematics in NCERT. Now, before starting the chapter, quickly let us revise some of the terms ratio and percentages, which we have already learned in 7th class. So, let us start. Say one girl is there called Harshita. She is having 10 chocolates, and another girl is there called Ravina. She is having 20 chocolates. Now if I ask you to compare this, Harshita 10 chocolates and Ravina has 20 chocolates. Now I want you to compare. How will you compare? You will say Ravina is having more chocolates. How many? 20 minus 10. So she is having 10 chocolates more than Harshita. So while comparing what we are doing, we are seeing which is more and we are doing the subtraction and we are arriving a number. That is one type of comparison. Another type of comparison is comparing the quantities by division. Comparing the quantities by division. Like if I say 10 by 20. One is having 10, one is having 20. If you cancel 1 by 2. So if Harshita has 1, Ravina is having 2. Like that we are comparing. So comparing the quantities using a division is called ratio. What is ratio? Ratio, we know. It is comparing quantities. Comparing quantities by division is called ratio. When we compare the quantities using division is called ratio. Now, next concept is percent. Now, if this has to be converted into percentage, we'll convert. But what is percent? Remember percent? If you see percent, this has two terms. Percent. Cent means 100. Percent per 100. Say for example, a student Naveen got 40 marks out of 50 marks. He got 40 marks out of 50 marks. Now I want to find the score for 100. For 100 I want to find. So what I will do? For 50, 40 marks I got. For 100 how much it will be? It is 80. How to do? Multiply with 2 or multiply with 100. That is simple process, we will see. That is not a problem. But here the concept is, if I say 80 by 100, then I am saying 80 per 100. Whenever I am taking per 100, then I will call this number as 80%. I will call it as 80%, and the symbol I am using is this one, 80%. This means 80 per 100. Percent means per 100. Now how to calculate? Simple. Say if I have 40 by 50, just multiply by 100. We will get the percentage. 51s are 52s are 42s are 80%. Simple. Let us understand this by taking one example. Say we have a basket. In that some fruits are there. some fruits are there. Okay, now those fruits count is given. Say apples. How many apples? 20 apples we have. And oranges we have 5. 20 apples we are having and 5 oranges we are having. Now we want to find the ratio of apples to oranges. So the question is ratio of apples to oranges. Ratio of apples to oranges. So the answer will be 20. How many apples are there? 20. How many oranges are there? 5. 20 by 5. If you do the cancellation, 5 ones are 5 fours are 4 by 1. Now, if the question is ratio of oranges to apples, then the value will change. So, if the order is changed like oranges to apples, then it will be 5 by 20, that is 1 by 4. So here the order is also very, very important. So if I take two quantities A and B, A by B is not equal to B by A. Okay, A by B is different, B by A is different. So this is called ratio. So ratio can be written as A by B, or it can be also written as A is to B. A is to B. B is pronounced as A is to B. This one we can say 1 is to 4 while pronouncing. This is the notation, 2 dots, and this is pronunciation. Is to. This is about ratio. Now let us see percentages. We will continue this and we will see the percentage. Now see, let us see percentages. If the question is asked, what is the percentages of oranges to apples? Oranges to apples, we have find ratio. 1 by 4 is ratio. Now, if the question is find the percentage, then simply we will say multiplied by 100. So we will get 4 ones are 4, 25s are 25%. We will get 25%. What is the meaning of it? Here, oranges to apple, 5 oranges we have, 20 apples we have. We have 5 oranges and 20 apples. When we convert and we got the answer as 25%, that means out of apples, oranges are 25%. So, for every 100 apples, there are 25 oranges. For every 100, there is 25. That is the meaning of percent. So, to calculate percent, simply multiply this fraction or this ratio with 100, we will get percentage. Simple. And one more thing is, here the question is, find the percentages of orange to apples. If the question is, what is the percentage of oranges to the total fruits, total number of fruits, then how many oranges are there? 5 divided by, if the question is total fruits, then 20 plus 5, 25 into 100. 5 ones are 5 fives are 5 20s are, then it will be 20%. So we should be careful about what is the parameter he is using, whether oranges, apples or total. First thing, and second thing, order. Order is also very important. This is a brief description about ratios and percentages.